Morning guys. This is a fantastic, beautiful morning, beginning of May. Weather is warm, no wind. I just saw 3 roe deers over here. And on my way into a forest just in front of us and a trail. And I'm gonna walk and see if I can find any birds. Kinda lost the trail again, I think. Yes, I did. There are these, there are these white pecks and markers on the trees to show where the path is. But sometimes they're just not there. So you just have to imagine. I think it's reasonable to think that I'm lost. Not lost, off the trail. I have my GPS. On this one spot, and I have a chaffinch up in that tree singing, and pretty high up for a wren, but up in almost on the top of that tree there's a wren singing. And I said this before, I think many of the really common birds, like the chaffinch and the wren, would be much more, popular if they weren't that common, because they're beautiful birds and really nice song. And the forest is so quiet. So this was, I haven't walked far, but this was such a nice spot with the birds singing around me. There's a cuckoo a few hundred meters that way, and I brought my coffee. So, I'll have a little sit down, enjoy this early morning before I continue on. Did you hear that? It's also common snipe. And it uses its tail feathers, or part of the tail feathers, to make this really cool sound that was just above me here. Just once, no, twice. Just above me, and then I heard it a little bit further on here. That's exciting. Maybe I can see it later on if I'm lucky. So a crossroad. My plan was to go down here, but now I'm thinking going here. It's a far longer trail, but it goes around this little lake. So I'm just gonna do that. It's a beautiful morning. There's no wind. The weather is nice. This tiny little stream here, the local mill was placed back in the old days. It's I don't know, it's 5 or 6 meters or something of fall, so couldn't have been the most powerful one in the vicinity. I believe I just saw an osprey. It flew off me, from me, in that direction. And it was just here, just down here. It came straight towards me, so I guess it was just as surprised as me. I have to see if I can find it. So actually also you can hear the common sandpiper over there. If you can see behind me here, that's the ocean, that's the North Sea. I'm just trying to hide my disappointment that I can't find a osprey. That's so disappointing. It came straight towards me. And then when I was pulling myself up these ropes, I kind of came over a little top, and then I saw it was coming directly towards me. What I'll do is I'll have a little break here. I'll sit for a while. There's a really nice spot there, I think. And have some coffee, have some chocolate, and fingers crossed, the osprey will reappear. A great view from here. I can see all the way to the mountains and snow-covered mountains in the distance here. So there's a common white-throat that appeared in a bush, top of a bush right over here. I don't know if you can hear it through my microphone, but so we're definitely out of the woods. I've passed some higher higher areas now. A bit more open. Seen more birds, like the lesser white-throat. That's at only 10-15 meters from me. A crossbill just flew over me, and you can hear a dunnock in front of me here. I found the dunnock. It's right over here. Nice. So it got busy again. So I'm just carrying the tripod with the camera so that I can be quick if needed. There's a lot of willow warblers around. And I saw some grey-lag geese that landed on the lake just in front of me. So I've been out for a while, and there's quite a walk back as well. So red shank over there. But not anymore. Is it just a song thrush? Or? Yes, it's a song thrush that tricks me. It's very far away. Zoom, now focus. Documented. Yes, song thrush. There it is, common sandpiper. So I came up to this little elevation here because I was hearing the common snipe flying over this area, and I wanted to go back a little bit so I could have the sun behind it and lit it better. Haven't heard them in a little while. I think there were at least 2 common snipes. So I'll do what I do best. I'll have some coffee and sit down and just wait a little bit. I'm in place. Things are rigged, and haven't heard the common snipe since we last heard it, which is a little while ago now. There, finally. Finally I got a picture of the common snipe. I heard it a few times. I wasn't able to take pictures of it, but now I have it. You see that? It is. That's good fun. So I lost the trail, but I came into this really nice, beautiful grass grassland. A really nice place with some birds, skylark and meadow pipit. Oh, I have to try to take a picture of that. Sat itself down for me there. Now I'm going into this forest again, and in this forest I've actually put up 4 bird boxes earlier this year. So I'm thinking we're going to go by them and see if any one of them is occupied. And as you probably can see it, I'm in this plantation forest. So it's not super nice, but it's what we have. And my first 2 bird boxes is just down here. I'll leave the backpack and the tripod back here. As you can see, it's a little bit hidden. I did that, of course, on purpose. So I have one over there. It's a bigger hole and bigger box for starlings or sparrow owls or something. And then I have a ordinary tit flycatcher box over there. So there are a lot of birds in this little part here. It doesn't seem like the bird boxes are in use. There's a blackbird over there, there's a Goldcrest. I just heard a black cap. There's a willow warbler and a Chaffinch. Further on was there movement. Yes, there it is. So there's a blue tit that's very active around above that bird box up in the trees. So I might have claimed it and trying to persuade a special lady friend to come and live there. All right, that was super cool. The blue tit was definitely claiming that bird box. So hang on. I won't disturb it anymore because it looks like it's alone for now. So need to attract a special lady friend. So I think that's it for today, guys. It's been a really nice day, really nice weather, warm, sunny, and I've been out for about 7 hours. So it's gonna be really nice to get some breakfast. With regards to birds, it seems like it's a bit early. There's not the numbers that we are expecting, and just a limited amount of species. I'm really happy with the wryneck early this morning, and I'm so happy I got that picture in the end of the common common snipe. I'm really happy with that. So thank you, guys. I hope you enjoyed this trip as much as I did. And remember, get out and enjoy nature.